Everybody that uses oil paint on a regular basis knows that it dries really slowly. It can take up to 6 to 12 months. That's why today I'm gonna show you how you can speed up this process up to 3 to 6 weeks by mixing the oil paint with a special product. Here you see the oil paint butter. It's called Lucas Oil Color. As you can see here, it's painting butter. This one is medium 5, which is good enough for me at the moment. The oil paint that I will use is Georgian Oil Color. For me this is one of the best, Georgian Oil, because the color is staying really nicely after putting it together with the butter. So what I have is this plastic bag. I made myself a special spoon to make the melange. And here I'm gonna show you the oil paint. It's a very nice package, of course. Georgian oil paint, oil color for artists. You can see that the oil paint, one is really nicely black, the other one is transparent. You can put it together in the same pot. What is really important is to try to do it as good as possible, 50-50. You put the same amount of oil paint, which is really always really nicely. As you can see, it's really thick, super black. I love to work with oil paint. So let's start with just a little bit like this. And then we're gonna put the butter with it. Will this be enough? Okay. And then the butter, same amount of butter. As you can see, it's transparent. But if you put it together really well, you will see that everything will become black again. It's so nice, these explanations. I feel almost like a television cook. What you can do is you just nicely put it together like this, so that you make it really one substance. And take your time for it, because it's really important, of course, that everything is together. There's no parts of white left or transparent left, and everything is nice and black. Okay. Now you can see it's really thick, really black, and now it's ready. Now I'm ready to use it. So hopefully this was helpful for you. As I said, it's really important to remember that it's a really good trick to put oil paint together with butter. The price is a little bit the same, so it's not that you can economize, but it will dry a lot faster. It will dry in 2-3 weeks instead of 6 to 12 months. Alright, so I'm ready now to show you what it is exactly that I did with my mix of oil paint and butter. And here you go. As you see, this is the golden painting I made in the previous movie. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to, among other words, put on my gold leaf the words "is good." But I wanted to do it a little bit more special, of course, than usual. So that's why I decided to do it in 3D with my oil paint. You can see that the letters are actually 3D on the gold leaf, which is an amazing effect, of course. As you can see, it's like the letters are glued on it, but actually it's my own made oil paint. If you can see that. And what is cool about it, it's that it's not completely perfect, so you still see a little bit of the oil paint structure in it. You can see it right now, which is of course really good, really cool, because you can see that it's handmade. Wow, now you can see it. You see, I did this with my own oil paint. It's really cool. So the rest of the painting remains a secret, unfortunately, but you can see what I did with the letters. I will show you now how I did it. You can see my secret. I used a carton board, which is not too thick but really strong. You can buy this in any art shop, and I cut the letters that form the word "is" and that form the word "good." I did this separately. As you can see, my technique is that I put the board on the painting, And after that I put a thick layer of the oil paint on the letters, and after that you can just lift it up and the oil paint will stay on the painting. To make sure that I don't spill under the carton board, I made it in 2 different pieces, as you can see, like this. So first I did the is with the oil paint, I removed it. After that I did the good with the oil paint and removed it, and you should make sure that you remove it at the same time in all the 4 corners to keep the edges sharp. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video again. Good luck with the creativity, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and don't forget to like it if you liked it.